guys, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to see such a yummy and simple dessert, Tiramisu. You guys like my recipe, like and subscribe my channel for more interesting recipe. Now let's look at the recipe. Now I'm going to make some custard. For the custard I take half a liter of milk and boiled it. When the milk has boiled, add 2 teaspoons of milk powder, this is optional, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. In a cup, take 3 teaspoons of custard powder and add 1 tablespoon of milk. Once the milk is boiled, just gently add the custard milk mixed and continuously stirring. The custard avoid to lumps. The custard want to get a creamy. I think the custard was ready. So I want to go refrigerator some this custard. I have take some brownies and then I have crushed and keep in the side. Take 1 cup and I am adding 2 teaspoons of coffee powder and some hot water. So here we have take some crushed brownies, custard, chocolate syrup and some coffee with the hot water mixture. Now I am going to assemble the tiramisu. So add some crushed brownies, and some coffee mixture. And then add some chocolate syrup or chocolate ganache. And now I'm going to add some custard. Now I am going to layer it either of some crushed brownies and custard. Gradually add 1 by 1 layer. So the layer had finished, and dust some cocoa powder. So you can dust with some coffee powder also. Enjoy with some dessert.